Hi, I'm Sweta, just a simple girl with big dreams and an even bigger heart. I've faced rejection, fear, and deep self-doubt, but I never gave up. Today, I'm here to share my journey, not because it's perfect, but because it's real. There was a time when I felt completely stuck, lost in life, unsure of what to do, where to go. I tried. I failed. I cried when no one could see me. People judged. And honestly, so did I. But something inside me whispered, Sweta, your story is not over yet. I started learning, building my skills, and slowly rebuilding myself. Today, I'm not perfect, but I'm stronger. And now I want to inspire others who feel lost, just like I did. This channel is not just mine, it's ours, a space for motivation, real talk, and skill growth. Welcome to Sweta Inspires. I'm so happy you're here. Let's grow together, one video, one step at a time. Your story matters, your dreams matter, and this is just the beginning. Subscribe now and start your journey with me.